This 2019 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31K is for sale now at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, we're met with your seating arrangements, which double as beds. Across from this is your kitchen. Your kitchen includes a flat-screen TV, a sink, a 3-burner cooktop with an oven and range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. Next to your cooktop is a control panel for your generator, water pump, and water heater, as well as your battery and tank levels. Moving into the rear bedroom, you'll see 4 bunk beds and cabinet storage. The bedroom comes with another wall-mounted flat-screen TV. Your bathroom is bisected by the hallway to the bedroom, but has plenty of space for the shower and sink. Coming up front, the loft bed rests above the cockpit. This unit is built on the Ford E450 series chassis. Returning outside, make note of your hookups for water and cable, as well as the location of your fuel tank and black tank drain. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer.